Hey esteem, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 8, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which state government has launched the fact check website and Twitter account? So the answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh government has launched the fact check website and Twitter account, and it was launched by the CM of Andhra Pradesh. It was launched by the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is J.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. So the Chief Minister is J.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, the Government of India constitutes a national committee to commemorate 75 years of Indian Independence Day. Who is the head of this committee? So the answer is option B, Narendra Modi. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the head of national committee that has been formed to commemorate 75 years of Independence Day. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, M.G. George was an Indian entrepreneur who has passed away. He was the chairman of which company? So the answer is option A, Muthoot Group. So M.G. George was the chairman of Muthoot Group. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, which institution has signed an MOU with Army's Northern Command? So the answer is option B, IIT Jammu. So IIT Jammu has signed an MOU with Army's Northern Command, and the purpose of signing this MOU, Memorandum of Understanding with Army's Northern Command, is to provide innovative solutions. So then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which country has recently increased its defense budget by 6.8% to $209 billion? The answer is option A, China. So recently China has increased its defense budget by 6.8%. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, what is the theme of Jan Aushadhi Week 2021? So the answer is option A, Seva Bhi Rozgar Bhi. So the theme of Jan Aushadhi Week 2021 is Seva Bhi Rozgar Bhi, and we celebrate Jan Aushadhi Week from 1st March to 7th March. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, who has launched the first community radio station in North Kashmir? So the answer is option D, Indian Army. So Indian Army has launched the first community radio station in Jammu and Kashmir, and the purpose of launching this community radio station is to enhance the outreach, especially among the younger population. So the purpose is to enhance the outreach, especially among the younger population. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, who has tied up with the YONO SBI to launch the Smart Fitness Band with digital payment components? So the answer is option C, FASTag. So FASTag has tied up with YONO SBI to launch the Smart Fitness bandwidth digital payment components. And the CEO of FASTag is S. Ravikant. So CEO of FASTag is S. Ravikant. And the CEO of SBI is Rama Mohan Rao Amra. So then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which team has been ranked top in the test ranking released by ICC? So the answer is option C, India. So India has ranked top in the test ranking released by ICC, and the full form of ICC is International Cricket Council. So the full form is International Cricket Council, and the chairman of International Cricket Council is Greg Barkley. Greg Barkley. So then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, the Union Minister has inaugurated the new research building Dikshan Bhavan in which state? So the answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. So the Dikshan Bhavan has been inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh, and it was inaugurated by the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare is Harshvardhan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, which Indian women player has recently become the 5th Indian women player to play 100 ODIs? So the answer is option B, Harmanpreet Kaur. So Harmanpreet Kaur has become the 5th Indian women player to play 100 ODIs. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, what is the theme of International Women's Day 2021? So the answer is option C. So the answer is option C, Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. So the answer is Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World is the theme of International Women's Day. And we celebrate the International Women's Day on 8th March. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, who is the author of the book titled Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Power? So the answer is option B, Rajiv Malhotra. So Rajiv Malhotra is the author of the book titled Artificial Intelligence and Future of Power. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, which organization will launch the AI Game Changer program in India? So the answer is option B, NASSCOM. So NASSCOM will be launching the AI Game Changer program in India, and the full form of NASSCOM is National Association of Software and Service Companies. So the full form is National Association of Software and Service Companies, and the chairperson of NASSCOM is UB Pravin Rao. UB Pravin Rao. So then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharma? So the answer is option C, Rohit Sharma. So Rohit Sharma has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharma. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, where is the 69th Senior National Volleyball Championship has been inaugurated? So the answer is option B, Odisha. So the 69th Senior National Volleyball Championship has been inaugurated in Odisha, and the capital, and where in Odisha it has been inaugurated in Bhubaneswar, and it is also the capital of Odisha. It has been inaugurated in Biju Patnaik Indoor Stadium. It has been inaugurated in Biju Patnaik Indoor Stadium. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, who has been appointed as the additional independent director of the Kotak Mahindra Bank? So the answer is option D, Ashok Gulati. So the answer is option D, Ashok Gulati. So Ashok Gulati has been appointed as the additional independent director of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and the CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank is Uday Kotak. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, which country has appointed the first transgender news readers? The answer is option A, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh has appointed first transgender news reader, and it is a private channel, and it is a tribute to the International Women's Day. As a tribute to International Women's Day, a private channel in Bangladesh has appointed transgender news reader. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, the government of which country has launched the national app portal bdapps.com? So the answer is option A, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh has launched a national app portal bdapps.com, and just to know, the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, and the Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, the International Women's Day has been celebrated on which date? So the answer is option A, 8th March. So on 8th of March we celebrate International Women's Day. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And if you have any queries, please feel free to ask us either in the comment section below, or you can also contact us in Facebook and Instagram. So meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.